Spon's retrieving his axe.
The axe flew in here. Oh, wow.
Oh,
It is so cold.
I just watched you sink. Hey, don't step on the ice. I want you to hurt your toe.
I know.
Roll up your sleeves.
Gilbo was ain't shit right there.
Wow, man, it is so
Step
cold.
off and his leg-
I'm gonna hear this video of my laugh.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, man.
Ready yet? No.
Take it up with your toes.
In the mud
What?
itself.
Take my sweatshirt.
So?
That's fine. And that's his boat.
God, your phone fucking sucks.
Mine?
Your grandma called me at 8 o'clock this morning, Leslie.
It was standing up, thank God.
Now get out.
Hey. I was trying to get in the water.